dear to young and old, the sweetest story ever told, a coach for Cinderella.
I suppose you've heard about that hussy, Mrs. Webb Spider.
No, but I'm listening.
Well, far be it from me to gossip, but it seems that only last night, Mr. Webb Spider... No, yes.
make
Stop, Johnny, you're tickling!
One big blow and the seeds fly in to test the air that lies within a coach for Cinderella.
Heads up down there.
How many? The bluebirds fly in circles wide, weaving their way from side to side, forming the drapes that help provide the gown for Cinderella.
How am I doing, borrowed from another day. Now we present in full array the coach for Cinderella, the coach